Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've blocked someone on OfferUp, but you actually want to go ahead and reach back out to them so that you can actually purchase something from them. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to go on your OfferUp account. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, you're going to scroll down to where it says account settings. Now, once you click on account settings, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says blocked users and click on edit. So here's where you can see all the different blocked users that you've blocked on OfferUp. In order to unblock someone, you simply just click on the button that says unblock right next to their name. So once you do so, you'll be able to message them back and they'll be also able to message you back as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and unblock someone on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.